Why do we gain weight? Well, there's only one hormone that tells us to gain weight. It's insulin. If you have high insulin, you're going to gain weight. If you have low insulin, you're not going to gain weight. So the nice thing about these peptides, this GLP-1, is it only tells you to make insulin when you're eating. When you're not eating, it doesn't tell the pancreas to make insulin. So you don't keep having high insulin levels. And it tells your brain you're done. And so for all that, a lot of people have come to me and they've asked about, well, can I just have a GLP-1 so that I don't have the food noise in my stomach in my head all the time that's going, oh, there's food. Where's the food? There's food? Oh, I gotta have food. All that food noise is continuously telling your brain, or continuously telling your brain, continuously telling your body to eat something. And it tends to shut off that food noise. And so that's something that people really like about these peptide hormones. Do they work? Yes, they work. They work the same way they work in real life. Like you're not injecting them, you make them yourself, and when you make it, it works too. It does the same thing. It says, okay, I'm done eating. But the problem is, remember, it's like a light switch. It goes on, it goes off. 10 minutes later, like it goes on, 10 minutes later, it goes off. So in 10 minutes after eating, you're going, I'm hungry. Where's the food? Because you no longer have that off switch, that GLP-1. So what they did for these GLP-1 agonists is they put some amino acids on there that prevent it from being broken down. So instead of being a light switch where it goes on and off in 10 minutes, these stay on. They continuously stimulate the GLP-1 receptors for a week. That's why it's a 1 week at a time injection. You get a week, it turns on the switch and leaves the light on for a whole week. Never turns it off. And then the next week, you get another injection and the light's on for a whole week. It never turns it off. And then you get another one, same thing, keeps going. And it keeps it on. Which is great because the food noise goes away. You're done, right? And your stomach, it slows down and you're not really hungry because, you put something in there, it doesn't empty very fast.